TP4E family. It is your girl Paige and I am back with another lit video. As you guys see by the title, by the thumbnail, your girl will be doing the Ratchet prank on my boyfriend. Before we get straight to this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because you don't want to miss out on any single videos we have coming for you. So yeah, let's get straight to this video because your girl about to be ratchet. Oh, I already kind of started putting my foundation on. It looks a mess right now. I'm not done. I'm about to put my foundation on, and then once I do that, I'm gonna show y'all what I have. Let me show y'all what I have. I have about these eyelashes. Y'all, these eyelashes are huge. And I was like, I already got my eyelashes done already, but I was like, let me just go ahead and use these, you know what I'm saying? Put these on top. This watch I got from Route 21, but I got this a while ago, so this ain't nothing fancy. And I have to decide which earrings I want to use. So I either want to use these regular hoops, or should I just go ahead and bust out these with my name on them, you know what I'm saying? They say Paige. Bam. Bam. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. So most likely I probably will do these because they give me more ratchet than, you know what I'm saying, than normal. During this process right now, y'all about to watch me put my makeup on and I'm about to put my lashes on. I'm about to get ready. And Ced is supposed to be coming back home. He's actually out playing a game with his friends right now, and I was like, bet. So he's gonna come at home, we're gonna find some food. Well, we're gonna go get some food, and I'm just gonna get in the car and be ratchet. Okay, Zadie, where we going? Okay, so sit back, relax, watch this video because it's about to be super duper lit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get it, let go. Okay guys, so as y'all see, I put these lashes on. They're a little bit higher up because I don't want to mess up my lashes or spend too much money on those, but you get the point, and he gonna get the point. So I'm about to put my earrings on. My earrings on. It is almost here. I'm gonna set the camera up in the car and I'm gonna tell him basically go get some inside for me so I can set the camera up. But once I set the camera up, you already know it's on and popping. Your girl is about to be so cute, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm about to finish putting on my outfit and y'all gonna see me. So stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram because it's on and popping.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, so the camera's set up. Baby. Oh, so he's coming back in the ground. Damn.
What?
I told you I needed my purse. But I got the first one. Shit, I need the other one.
What?
Because I got to show these bitches I got money. Just get in the car. Just get in the car. Come on.
You need your other purse.
Get in the fucking car. Shit. I got time for that.
You gonna say one thing and then gonna do another.
Because I wanted both of my purses and you didn't get it for me. Shit.
Who are you today? Like, what do you think?
The fuck you mean who I am? My name Paige, you know my name. Shit. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bad hoe, 5, 6 figures.
Okay. You say so. Say so. You sure you don't need anything else?
I'm good. I told you I don't need nothing else. Shit. Oh! I don't got time for all that shit. We ain't got all day. Cause I'm hungry. You know how I get when I'm hungry.
You ain't got to chew all on that gun like that.
Boy, don't eat.
A few moments later.
What's she looking at? What you looking at?
Baby, stay over here in this car.
Nah, cause what she looking at? I ain't did nothing to her.
Yeah.
Cause baby. Oh, these lashes look so good on me. Nice and full, nice and thick. Just how I like it.
What did your lashes?
I was taking them down, boo. And I told you I was getting my lashes done.
I know Sean didn't do that. I know Sean didn't do that.
Don't worry what Sean did.
She didn't do that.
Shit.
You just randomly just want to wake up and just
What we
go
gonna
home.
eat? What we gonna eat?
Oh, you tell me. What we gonna eat?
Whatever you want, baby. Cause you paying. Oh, I should've got me a rich nigga, cause you. Oh!
You go get him.
You right.
What you doing?
You right.
What are you doing?
You right. I probably can now.
Yeah, not looking like that.
Looking like what? But cause I look good.
Baby,
But you know what though?
you don't have to.
You know what? Boy! Oh! You know I look good. Don't even play. Cause a real ass give a lot of niggas. Big breaking bad hoe, 5-6 figures. Yeah. That's why I don't like being in the car with you, cause you slow. You got so damn slow. Oh! Like pick up the fucking speed. I need me with a nigga with a fucking V8 engine, V12. What you got, a V2?
And you said
What you got, a V2?
you said I got a 4-cylinder.
No, shit, it ain't riding like one.
Well, you know, you over here in the passenger seat, so you ain't even in the driver's seat first of all.
I drove this car before, and the fast to go was.
Before, right? That's what they all say. They drove it before, but they ain't in the driver's seat.
Boy,
So
bye.
you need
Boy,
to just
please.
relax.
Nah, you need to relax.
Relax.
Little cheap ass car. What? How much was it? 20,000, 30,000.
You talking about my car?
Cheap ass car.
You just said you drive it too.
I drove it before.
You drove it before.
Before. Kim folk. Shit.
True definition of cap.
Cat. Spell cat. That's what I thought. You can't spell cat. Wish a nigga would.
Girl, you don't get your.
Boy, if you don't get your. Damn! Boy! Oh! Shit.
Girl, you out of my damn ear. Relax.
Your ear out of my damn mouth. Relax.
Damn, that gun finna hop out your mouth.
Oh! Nah, baby, it's good.
I bet.
I keep my gun for a week. They say smart girls eat gum. And they say broke boys. They say broke boys drive slow cars.
Cap females.
They drive slow cars.
And cap
Slow cars.
Ratchet females, what they do? Sit in passenger seats, collect their
And they
food
drive
stamps.
us. You right. Chill. We eat off the government. They don't care about us anyway. And we get niggas like
you still can't eat off the government.
and we get niggas like you to drive us around. So I want some food. I want another soul.
Niggas like me, see, I wouldn't have got your eyelashes done like that. That's why.
I ain't trying to hear it. I don't care.
So for two,
Cause a real ass
the last day
lot of
that you-
niggas, big breaking bad hoe, 5-6 figures.
You gonna hop out the house looking like this.
Nah, baby, I walk out the house looking like
The
how I
first
wanna look.
and the last.
Nah, baby boo. That's what we ain't finna do.
Alright, that's what we're not finna do. So you can.
No, so so you can.
Relax.
No, you can relax. You really about to make me mad. Don't make me mad.
Yeah, you really gonna give a nigga a headache.
You about to make me mad.
Why?
Real mad. You tired of me?
Baby, quit acting like whatever it is. I don't know who you think you are right now.
I'm Paige. They think you gonna call me Love Paige.
I know that you wanted to wear your earrings and shit today, and you know, but come on now.
Cause I'm a baby. Eat rice and cabbage. Hey, make a nigga wanna grab it. Hey, we need to get gas.
No, we good.
Okay, cause we can use my card. You know I got money. I got more money than you. Nah, you ain't got that much money, Ced. You ain't got that much money. You only got like 12,000 subscribers on YouTube. That ain't much. You ain't bringing no bread home.
What are you talking about?
You ain't bringing no bread home, Ced.
Why are you talking like this for one? Why are you acting
What
like
do you
this?
mean why I'm talking like this, Ced?
Why are you acting like this?
Ced. You can go to bed before you get red, cause your name is Ced. Hey, new rapper on the way, Ced Paige. You know what I'm saying?
I'm finna go ahead and give me something to drink. Do you need some?
No, I don't need nothing.
Sure.
I'm hungry, so hurry up.
You're positive.
Positive.
Okay.
Go get something to drink, baby. Go! You making me believe.
Baby.
Go! You're so funny.
Why are you acting like this? Is it because of what you got on?
No.
Cause you wearing your. And why you got?
He's so funny, Ced.
Like, why you got these eyelashes on like this?
You don't like him?
Baby.
Oh! What?
No.
What's wrong?
Why? Why are you wearing your eyelashes? I see you wore the necklace today.
What's wrong?
But why you wearing the eyelashes?
I can't wear my eyelashes. Go get something to drink. You guys, so you already know this was a banger video. You know what I'm saying? Your girl come with the heat. You know what I'm saying? Don't sleep. So he about to come back in. I'm about to tell him it was a prank.
A few inches later.
And have what I want.
This was the prank video.
What?
I just pranked you. Being Ratchet to get your reaction. And I got your reaction.
It's not even
Cameras,
long.
it says 17 minutes. Go. Gotcha. Y'all already know it's Ced Paige out there. I come with them bangers, not no swangers. You so funny, Ced.
Wait a minute.
So that's what you're doing to prank me.
That's what I was doing, boo. So you guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and Ced loves y'all too. My lashes is coming off and look a mess.
Yeah, not saying that and like what the heck? Like,
They are coming off. But this one really coming off.
to do your, your earrings and
But I put them higher, and I told them I did just because I didn't want to mess up my eyelashes.
Yeah, they look weird as hell.
Leave me alone. I'm about to fly away. So today, post notification shout out goes to Ced Jr. Thank you so much, Ced Jr. for watching our video. You guys are awesome, and thank you for watching our video too. Let's get this video to 5,000 likes. Let's make this video go viral because you know your girl Paige come with them bangers.
Hey, y'all, check out that prank that I just did on her. If you haven't, it's just a recent prank, you know what I mean? It'll be right here, you know what I mean? Go click that right there.
Ced, stop playing. But we love y'all. We see y'all next time. So you know what that means. Peace.